Our next evaluator is Kristina Evlauation.
Tonight I'll be having a conversation with Julie about her speech. You're welcome to listen in. I'm sure that you have observations that may be different from mine. These are just my observations that I will share with her. Julie, your introduction that Luke read was excellent. It allowed us to know where you were going before you started speaking, so we didn't have to guess what the speech was about. That's a great example of an introduction. I'll definitely learn from that. Your eye contact was excellent. Your gestures were excellent. You weren't using notes. I'm assuming when you give a 30-minute one, you might have a note or two. No? Amazing. Excellent. It was well organized. The audience that you're speaking to, this whole global gap thing is a brand new, not a fused thing. The fact that they are coming into this with a great deal of fear and trembling over all these rules and regulations makes your persona helpful, because I think they'll be able to relate to you very well. The two stories that you told, the Jean story about the kiddie pool and the garbage can story, are real examples that your audience is going to be able to get their minds around, because they're familiar with how their own farms work, what regulations they're thinking they're going to have to meet, what hoops they're going to have to jump through. Everyone understands a kiddie pool. Everyone understands cutting a hole in the top of a plastic garbage can to take care of the problem. Those two stories, the power of story there, I expect that to bring your audience into your entire presentation and understand that you do have some valuable things to share with them, and you want to be an asset to them, not a pain in the neck like the government apparently seems to want to be to them. Two suggestions: smile and breathe. It felt like your shoulders were getting up and you were kind of holding your breath.
Thank you.
So just before you go up, drop your shoulders, take a deep breath.
I'm going to do that.
Let it
I
out.
did it.
Yeah. Think about your posture, just keeping your feet about hip-width apart so you don't tip over. You probably have a lectern or balloon.
Yeah.
Okay. Which will make a difference for you too. I thought it was great. It would be fun to hear the whole thing. But I definitely think you hit the mark with what you're trying to accomplish.
Okay.
In that section. Thank you.